Hey, this is Connor at Jason Dietsch Trailer Sales. Today we have a 38-foot United gooseneck stacker. You want to start at the front here. We got hydraulic jacks, a 48-inch side door, step well, full-length Thule awnings, all the lights and speakers underneath. And this is a triple 8K torsion axle trailer with 17.5s and Alcoa wheels. If you want to head over to the other side, up front here you got your mini split. You got an onboard 12K diesel Onan generator. Up here at the front of the trailer, you got a DeWalt air compressor. All kinds of clearance lights, midship turn signals, and docking lights at the rear. 4-foot extended ramp flap, loading lights at the rear with speakers. This is a 6,000 pound Titan lift. You got an escape hatch up top here at the rear. Other side, that's a spare mount and an airline reel. You got the recessed lights under the lift. You know, when you have a car up there, it gets really dark under the lift, so we started adding these in these trailers. A few different pit pal accessories on the walls. Engine compartment here. And then of course your C-Tech tool cabinets. You got 2 different ones here. All kinds of compartments up front. For all your storage needs. This is a car platform, so you can actually put a 3rd car up here. This is a 3-car stacker. And then all of your controls for your generator and your mini splitter up here. Then your radio and your 50 amp electrical package is all in here as well. So I appreciate you guys watching. Give us a call, check out our website. We'd love to sell your next trailer.